So the trans just went on the AP1. Oh my god. I can't even think right now. But first and second, they were pulling to the right with the shifter. And now I'm stuck. Ah dear. I thought it was a motor mount, but I guess this trans is toast. We'll see what Lee says, but oh my god. Could this day get any worse? I don't know. We'll see. Oh, the front bumper, no. Drew's good. He should be able to take care of it. Oh my god, I just got to Ahmed's shop and it is gorgeous. Oh my god.
So what, you going to it then, buddy?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Come here.
Got two.
Come here, let me show you. Yeah, leave it recording. Come here.
Cool. Let's see. Holy heck.
Send her home.
Wow.
That's the definition of sending.
I didn't even hit it that hard, but I felt something shifting. Something was like pulling to the side. But yeah, Pierre's shop didn't even put the badges on yet, but Ahmed's got it looking cleaner than ever. Oh my lord. Looks like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Never seen the soft top look that nice either. That is really nice. Cheap Amazon, eBay soft top. Might not be getting the best footage here. I'm just too stoked. Yeah. But yeah, there's a few things that were there from the few days that I was driving it. Pierre is going to touch them up on the bumper, but couldn't be happier, man. Couldn't be happy. So, yep, Ahmed and Ali, they did it again. Nice and clean on the inside, even cleaner on the outside. Don't want to do a drive video now. I got to get back to work, but man, I can't even begin to tell you how happy I am. Oh, I miss dealing this car. Hey guys, thanks for watching. So, the AP1 is finally mechanically done. I can't believe it. I am so excited. I'm in the AP2 now because Piero is doing the final touch-ups on some of the paint work and some other things, but the car mechanically is basically perfect. The issue with the steering being easier to the right versus left, I thought it was maybe the tire, the wheel size being different because it was a different aftermarket OEM replica wheel or a few other things, but apparently it was the engine mount. What happened is the transmission mount bracket had been bent during the accident since we were running on 3 wheels. That caused the drive shaft to not line up correctly, which caused some warbling, which then caused the passenger side engine mount to wear out faster, which once that sank, the engine, it caused the drive shaft to warble even more, which ended up breaking my rear differential, which you've seen. So the drive shaft was actually one of the only parts original to the car below the frame, because both subframes have been replaced, control arms, just about everything. And unfortunately, it did blow my diff out, and that's why I've taken so long to show you guys the finished car. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your patience. Special thank you to Ahmed over at Acceleration Auto for taking care of me so quickly. I did buy a whole new rear subframe, which we ended up stripping for parts because it was bent as well, which I didn't get on camera, but thankfully we were able to get the parts off of that, throw that on the old subframe, which was still good. Still waiting on an alignment and the final paint touch-ups, and once that's done, I'll be doing my first reveal video. And the next car meet will be September the 12th, and the next one after that will be September the 26th. both on Sundays, which will be really nice. So we'll have 2 new, subscriber meet and greets. Haters are welcome too. You can say whatever you want, do whatever you want. But met some nice people last weekend, and it was a good time. So same place, Chesapeake Market in Delhi. We'll meet there at 11. We'll leave by 12 sharp, and we'll go on roughly a nice 1-hour back road cruise north. So again, thank you for watching. Thank you for your patience, and thank you for your support. The car is just about done. Should be done in time for the next meet. And I'd love to be able to show you guys in person and chat with you and answer any of the questions you have. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.